Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to add a secondary axis in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that I have this table here and I will convert this table into a chart. So before this I have to basically format it as a table. So I will select this and I will select format as table here, and I will select any table from here. Let's suppose if I want to select this one, press OK, and now I will just go into the home tab here, basically sorry, insert tab, and here we have charts here. Okay, so I will just click on this, maybe this chart here, histogram maybe, or maybe I will just select this 3D chart here like this one. Okay, so now the next thing is that basically if you want to add more axes here, maybe vertical axis or this axis over here, how you can do this, that you will click on the chart here basically, and you will see this chart design tab here. Okay, so you need to click on the chart. Okay, so click on the chart and you will see this chart design tab here, and here on the left hand side you will see this option where it says add chart element. Click on this one and you can see bunch of different elements that you can basically add within this chart. So here you can see that we have our axis here. Okay, so these are the titles. Okay, so if we want to basically give our axis a title here, we can basically choose this one. Okay, like this one, or if we wanted to add an axis here, you can see that we will basically add a new axis like this. Okay, so I will add titles here basically. So let's suppose if I want my axis vertically, I will click on vertical, and now you can see that here we have this title. Now we can basically drag it right here. If you want to increase its size, we can basically increase its size as well, and we can basically change the text inside it. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.